Hi friend, it's me, Assistant Professor Manoj Hemne, Head Department of English, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Art, Commerce and Science College, Sutuli, Lohara. In this part, we will discuss about the lesson The Portrait of a Lady, which is written by Khuswant Singh, and the lesson is prescribed in the syllabus of BA third semester, BCom third semester. In this lesson, we will discuss about the writer and his grandmother. In this lesson, the writer Khuswant Singh trying to discuss about the relationship, the bonding between them. Now we will discuss about the writer, the Khuswant Singh. Khuswant Singh was born in Hadali, नाव इन पाकिस्तान. हदाली इथं त्यांचा जन्म झाला आणि हदाली सध्या कुठं आहे? पाकिस्तानमध्ये आहे. बिफोर ही वेंट टू इंग्लंड द स्टडी ऑफ लॉची स्टडी करण्याकरता इंग्लंडला जाण्यापूर्वी त्यांचं जे एज्युकेशन होतं, द प्रायमरी एज्युकेशन अँड द हायर एज्युकेशन ही हॅज कम्प्लिटेड फ्रॉम द गव्हर्मेंट कॉलेज ऑफ लाहोर अँड सेंट स्टीफन्स कॉलेज ऑफ Delhi. All the necessary education for the higher education and the requisite education for the study of law, he had completed all the education from the Stephen College and Government College of Lahore. He has to his credit the voluminous contribution pertaining to history and religion, journalism and literature. He has written about the history and religion of Indian culture, as well as he has written about the journalism and literature. And most of the work of the writer Khuswant Singh are about the journalism. His novels, which novels he has written, include Train to Pakistan. Train to Pakistan is a very famous novel which is written in 1956. I Shall Not Hear the Nightingale is written in 1961, and Delhi a Novel is written in 1990. These three novels are one of the famous novel of Khuswant Singh. He was a journalist of superlative distinction. एक प्रकारचं उच्च दर्जाचं असं जर्नलिझम खुशवंत सिंग यांचं होतं. त्याचबरोबर फॉर मेनी इयर्स ही वोट the widely read newspaper column. He has written in the widely read newspaper column with Malik words one and all. He had the proud privilege of being the editor of numerous journals and newspapers, including the Illustrated Weekly of India and Hindustan Times. He has proud of himself of being the editor of numerous journal. खूप साऱ्या जर्नलचं एडिटर असल्याचं त्याला अभिमान वाटत होता. त्याचबरोबरच जो एडिटरशिप त्याने केलेलं होतं ते कशाचं? इलिस्ट्रेटेड वीकली ऑफ इंडिया अँड हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स. He also served as a member of Rajya Sabha from 1980 to 1986. He was a member of parliament, member of Rajya Sabha from 1980 to 1986. These 5 years he served for his country as a member of Rajya Sabha. Now in this story, in this lesson, we will discuss about the portrait of a lady and the relationship between the writer Khuswant Singh and his grandmother. The bond between them is described in this poem, in this lesson by Khuswant Singh. The Portrait of a Lady is a character sketch of narrator's grandmother. हे जे लेसन आहे पोर्ट्रेट ऑफ अ लेडी, यामध्ये काय म्हटलेलं आहे? इट इज कॅरेक्टर स्केच. हे एक व्यक्तिचित्र आहे, एखाद्या व्यक्तीचं वर्णन यामध्ये मांडलेलं आहे, वर्णन केलेलं आहे. आणि ते व्यक्तिचित्र कोणाचं आहे? नरेटरच्या ग्रँडमदरचं, म्हणजे रायटरच्या ग्रँडमदरचं नरेटर यामध्ये मांडलेलं आहे. वन फाइंड ardent affection and soothing serenity in the conduct even the advanced age and changed location. She was fond of feeding stray dogs and familiar birds. She established a cordial relationship between them. And she was fond of feeding stray to dogs as well as familiar birds. She established a cordial relationship between them. And she trying to establish the cordial relation between the birds, the animals, and herself. This is amply attested by the mute mourning of the bird at her death, and that's why all the birds come on the death of her. जेव्हा ती मरत असते तेव्हा सगळे पक्षी त्यामध्ये येऊन तिच्या मरणाच्या दिवशी अवतीभोवती जमलेले असतात.